In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add products to Shopify from AutoDS. We'll walk through the Shopify side of the process so you can confidently create or fine-tune a product that's been brought in via AutoDS using the standard product editor inside your Shopify admin. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to fill out so your product is ready to publish. Start by opening your Shopify admin and landing on the home dashboard. Make sure you're logged into the correct store and that you have the permissions to manage products. This is your control center, and everything we need is just a couple of clicks away. Next, head to the Products section from the main menu. This is where all of your items live: active products, archived items, and drafts. If AutoDS has pushed products into your store, they'll appear here for you to review. Think of this page as your catalog manager, where you can quickly scan what's live, what's queued up, and what still needs attention. Now, select Add Product. This opens Shopify's product editor, which you'll use whether you're creating a listing from scratch or polishing a product that originated from AutoDS. It's a single workspace designed to capture everything a shopper needs to know and everything Shopify needs to organize and sell the item. Begin with a clear, keyword-rich title. Keep it concise but descriptive so customers instantly understand what you're offering. In the description box, write a helpful, scannable overview. Highlight the key features, materials, dimensions, use cases, and any care or warranty notes. If information came in from AutoDS, refine it for tone, accuracy, and readability. Add product media, including high-quality images and, if available, a short video or GIF. Use clean, well-lit photos with multiple angles to build buyer confidence. Set your price, and if you're running a promotion, use the Compare at Price to show the discount. Enter a SKU to keep inventory organized. Choose whether Shopify tracks stock and set the available quantity. If the product has variations like size or color, enable variants and make sure each option has its own price, SKU, and image where relevant. Choose a product category and type so taxes and recommendations work properly. Add tags for internal organization and assign a vendor if you use one. Set the shipping weight and options so rates calculate correctly. Finally, review the search engine preview, edit the page title, and meta description to match the product's main keywords for better discoverability. When everything looks good, click Save. After saving, take a moment to preview the product in your theme to ensure images, variants, and formatting display as expected. That's it. You've added your product in Shopify, ready to go live with confidence.